Most people spend their entire lives working for money. They wake up early, work long hours, pay bills, and then do it all over again. But what if there was a better way? What if your money could work for you instead? Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you own. A paycheck can make you feel rich for a moment, but investments can make you wealthy for a lifetime. The difference is simple. Workers earn money. Investors grow money. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. Your paycheck stops immediately. Bills continue. Expenses continue. But when you own assets that generate income, money keeps flowing even when you're not actively working. That's the power of wealth. The wealthy understand one important rule. Money should never sit idle. Stocks, real estate, index funds, and businesses can continue growing while you sleep. Every dollar invested becomes a tiny employee working 24 hours a day for your future. The wealthy understand one important rule. Money should never sit idle. Stocks, real estate, index funds, and businesses can continue growing while you sleep. Every dollar invested becomes a tiny employee working 24 hours a day for your future. This is where the magic happens. Compound growth. Your money earns money. Then that money earns even more money. At first, growth feels slow. But with time, wealth can grow faster than you ever imagined. Patience turns small investments into life-changing results. Most people ask, "What can I buy with this money?" Wealthy people ask, "How can this money make me more money?" One mindset creates expenses. The other creates assets. And assets create freedom. Imagine a life where you're not worried about every paycheck. More time with family, more freedom to travel, more choices, more peace of mind. That's the goal. Don't just work for money. Build wealth. Invest consistently. Stay patient. And let your money work harder than you do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more smart money lessons.